Today I'm showing you how to post Reels on Instagram on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your video. Make sure you have a video ready to post. It can be any video you want to share with your followers. Step 2. Open Instagram app. Open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Step 3. Tap plus button. At the top left of the screen, tap the plus button to create new content. Step 4. Select Reel. By default, Instagram may show Post or Story. At the bottom of the screen, swipe through the options and tap Reel. Step 5. Choose Video. Select a video from your camera roll or tap the Record button to film a new video directly in Instagram. Step 6. Edit Video. Tap Next after selecting your video. Use the editing tools to trim the video length, add music from Instagram's library, add text overlays, add stickers or effects, apply filters. Step 7. Finalize edits. When you're satisfied with your edits, tap Next in the bottom right corner. Step 8. Add details. Write a caption for your reel, tag people if desired, and add a location. Choose where you want to share your reel, to your feed, story, or just reels. Step 9. Select cover image. Tap Edit Cover to choose a thumbnail. Select a frame from your video or upload a custom cover image. Step 10. Share Reel. Once everything looks good, tap Share at the bottom. Your reel is now posted to Instagram. And that's it. You've successfully posted a reel on Instagram on your Android device.